guys, what's going on? Surfer423 here, and today we are upgrading RAM on old Mac. This is like an $89 Mac from Amazon. You can just look it up. Just look up old Mac, and this will come up. It's the 2006 model. So I'm gonna undo these screws right here. You just want to do these screws right here, cause 1, 2, 3, right along there, and then you're gonna see 2 RAM slots, and I'll pause the video here and I'll be right back once I have those accessible. Be right back. Alright guys, after that you're gonna have this little metal piece. Just want to set that to the side, so I'm gonna put that over here. And I just used a tiny Phillips flathead screwdriver right here. Won't really focus because it's super tiny, but yeah, that's it. And let's put that back. It's pretty much just a precision screwdriver kit. Everyone has those around the house. So you're just going to want to pop out the RAM right here. And here it is. You're going to insert it like that. And here it is. It's the 512 megabytes. Let's focus the camera on that. So that's the RAM that this comes with. And then we'll take the other part out. And this is the other RAM, which is 2 gigabytes. So total this had 2.5 in it. And let's insert the new RAM. So we're gonna have two 2 gigabyte models. So let's insert those right now. So like this. And you're gonna feel like you have to put a bit of force on it. And that is okay. You're gonna have to put a bit of force on it. So definitely put that in there. And these are just to pop it out when you want to. And sorry if the camera's a little blurry right now. Refocus on the next RAM slot. So now that we're on the next RAM slot, it is empty. And we're going to take the 2 gigabyte one, which is the same one right there. So we're going to have 4 gigabytes of RAM. This originally had 2 512 MB on it. So let's pop this in here. And make sure you touch something metal and wash your hands before you do this, because as you can see right here, it says electricity discharge is bad for RAM. So just gonna want to take it. You can sell it online, which is not really worth much, or you could use it for another computer build. Make sure you have 2 of the same models of RAM in there, same company and stuff. And that's really important to have. So I'm going to close this all up, and I'll show you when it's booted on. See you guys in a sec. Alright guys, and we are now back. So now you can see about this Mac. And we have the processor right here. You can see I did upgrade the RAM. It's now 2 gigabytes. I put 2 1 gigabytes in there, I think. Yeah, so it's just 2.5 now. One of the RAM slots isn't really working, so I couldn't really completely do it. So here it is, right there. It's a really nice Mac, and we're gonna try and launch Minecraft. So you have the Minecraft jar up here, and yeah, I'm gonna launch this game, and I'll be right back. See you guys in a sec. Alright guys, and we are back. We have launched Minecraft. And we're not actually getting that bad of lag. For having 2 gigabytes of RAM, and this not being able to locate all of it, it's really not that laggy. For this kind of computer, it's not that laggy whatsoever. So we're getting 13, 14 FPS right now, which is not bad. In fact, so that's about it. Actually, I'll try and show you guys the FPS, and I'll be right back once I can show you that.